Here is how to change your language on your Mac. But before you do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our system settings. Once we're in settings, we're going to want to go to the language and region section. So on the newer Mac updates, it's under the general tab. So you click on general and then click on language and region. But on the older updates, you have a language and region button right here. If this is all Spanish and you don't know it, just click on this flag right here. Click on that, and then we want to change our language. So you can do that by pressing on this plus button and then adding a language that you want. So let's say I choose Spanish. I'm going to add that, and then it's going to ask, would you like to use Spanish as your primary language? Then you select use Spanish. Sometimes it will prompt you to restart your computer. So in order for the languages to pop up, you will have to restart your computer, because as you can see, system preferences, all that stuff is still in English. But once you restart, all of this will be your primary language, which is Spanish. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment any questions you have down below. I'll see you in the next video.